job number 2. You can see Jacob's already starting. There should be about like 40 bales to cover this brim. It's like on a HOA, so once a year they have to do this, especially during spring when everything's starting to grow. So we weed-eated it as much as we could, all the existing weeds, and pretty much we're gonna stop right before this tree. We'll see how it looks. And the results. How can you hate on pine straw when it does so much for your curb appeal? Look at that beauty.